So hello guys, in today's video we are going to learn how can you add keyframes while editing on Final Cut Pro app. Before that, if you have come for the first time to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon beside it. So let's open Final Cut Pro app. Here there is an ongoing project of mine. So here we will move this image from here to over there by using keyframe. So to do that, first we need to select this image, then we need to go over here, click on it, and then move the cursor from here to here till the point where you want to move this image. Then click on the photo and stretch it wherever you want to move it. If you want to move it there, we need to click over here. Then you can see the keyframes have been added. Now move the cursor to the starting point and then play. Look how this is moving. So in this way you can add keyframes while editing on Final Cut Pro app. Thank you.